Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software for producing thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product.
In this short video, we're going to be unboxing a couple of phones. First of all, we're going to be unboxing this A14, a Galaxy Samsung A14, and then we'll unbox this Galaxy S24. So let's get these open and see what comes in the box. Move the S24 to one side for now. So this is the Galaxy Samsung S14. Nice box. Okay, so comes with a phone, nicely packaged, lots of plastic around it. These A series of phones are the entry-level type of phones from Samsung. Nice big screen. Pretty much plastic everywhere on that phone. To be honest, you don't get a great deal with these phones. That contraption there is the little pin that allows you to take out the tray, and you can insert your SIM card, and this particular phone you can insert a micro SD as well. So that's the phone itself, and this little box, you get instructions. So a quick start guide, a few other bits and pieces, and that's it literally. A cable, a phone, and a quick start guide. That's all you get. It seems that the more expensive the phones are getting, the less equipment they're sending out to us. So this video is going to be an unboxing, and then so it's going to be relatively short, and then I'll do another one where I review both of these phones. I'm not going to do a comparison obviously because this is an entry-level phone, and the S24 is obviously the latest and greatest from Samsung, so there's no point doing a comparison. These A14s are retailing in the UK for anywhere between £180 to £195. So it's cheap and cheerful. On to the slightly more expensive phone. This is the S24, came out recently in the UK. They come in three flavours. The S24 standard, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. This is the standard one. sharper knife or a pair of scissors. And that is quite well done that side. And on that side as well. Let's drop out. Okay, again, not a great deal in terms of equipment. That's the phone itself. Feels a lot more premium than the A14. A14 was quite obviously plastic. It's in terms of weight and quality of material is totally different. S24 standard, and then this is going to contain again the quick start guide. That's a quick start guide. Probably the warranty, and the cable, and the little pin. Excellent. The S24 comes in 4 colours. So this is black. Also comes in a yellowy gold type of colour, a purple, and a grey. But I actually prefer this matte black, I think they called it. 3 cameras on the back with a flash as well. And that's it for this short video. So that's the unboxing of the S24 and the Galaxy A14. We'll charge these up, we'll stick some SIMs and micro SD cards in there, and then we can do a short review of both. Thank you for watching this. Hope to see you in the next one.